This is the iPhone X. Yes, you heard that right. This phone launched 8 years ago, back in November 2017, and today I'm putting its camera to the test in 2025. We will shoot both photos and videos in daytime and nighttime conditions to see just how well they hold up. First, a quick spec overview of the camera system. On the back side, there are two cameras. The main camera is a 12 megapixel with an aperture of f1.8. The second camera is also a 12 megapixel with an aperture of f2.4. This is a tele camera. On the front, it's a 7 megapixel with an aperture of f2.2. Talking about the video recording, with the back-facing cameras, you can record maximum at 4K 60 fps. When it comes to front, it is 1080p 30 fps. Now, let's dive into the daytime photos and videos. I shot at every zoom level from 1x through 10x. That's 10 individual photos. The 1x and 2x shots look nice and detailed, but once you push past 2x, the image quality drops off and details soften. Take a look at the side by side of 1x versus 10x to see what I mean. Here are some more daytime photos at various zoom levels. These are the photos taken from the front-facing camera with and without the background blur. The front-facing camera photos are still looking good and I really liked it. This is the panorama shot and it is also turned surprisingly clean and I don't have any complaints. Now let's have a look at the video samples during daytime conditions of front and back-facing cameras.
Hey guys, this is the video recording with using the back-facing camera at 4K 30 fps. We can actually record up to 4K 60 fps, but due to the timeline, I'm shooting in 4K 30 fps. Right now, I'm at 1x. This is 2x and maximum 6x. So this is how the video quality looks like at 6x zoom, and this is 1x. You cannot shift the camera from back to front while recording the video, but you can capture the photos. So right now I'm walking. You can observe the stabilization as well. I'm holding this mobile in my hand without any tripod. Here also I'll show you 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, and finally 6x. You can judge the audio quality as well. Hey guys, right now you are seeing the video from the front facing camera at full HD 30 fps. You cannot record 4K with the front facing camera. So this is how the video quality looks like. You can judge the stabilization as well, and even the audio is directly coming from the internal microphone. You cannot shift the camera from front to back, but you can click the photos while recording the video. So this is how it looks like.
This is a slow motion video and I recorded it in 1080p at 120 fps. Talking about the camera interface, it is looking similar to the present day mobile phones because this mobile is running with iOS 16. The each option in the camera app is separated, and if you swipe from left to right or right to left, you can change the options. Like you can toggle photos to videos, videos to slow motion to time lapse, or vice versa. These settings are same in every iPhone, so I think I don't need to share it once again. But one thing I noticed is it is not showing 4K 60 fps option when I opened the camera app after the first boot up. Later I went into the settings and there I change it to 4K 60 fps, and also I enabled the option to show it on the camera app. Later it is showing the 4K 60 fps. Now let's see the photos and video samples during the nighttime conditions. Here are the photos taken at different zoom levels like the daytime conditions, and you can observe the quality as well as clarity here. I observed that in each and every photo the noise is picking up, but compared to all 1x and 2x photos are looking overall decent, but not that great. And also this mobile doesn't have any night mode option. This is very strange, and I checked online about this. Many of the forums told that this mobile phone doesn't support night mode. These are the front facing camera photos with and without the portrait mode option. Also, we get the screen flash, which is really helpful during pitch dark conditions. This is the photo that I took in pitch dark condition, and it is the best example to see how good the photos turned up with the help of screen flash. Now let's have a look at the video samples from back and front facing cameras.
Guys, right now you're seeing the video from front facing camera in pitch dark condition. There is no screen flash option available for videos, but for photos it is available. I turned on the flashlight in another mobile phone, so I'm recording the video. This is how it looks like if you use a different flashlight while recording the video. Okay, this is the video recording by using back facing camera. Actually I turned on the flashlight, but I don't know, like, this is not that great. But still, if any person is close to here, like talking like this much distance, the flashlight is helpful. But for this type of open areas, it's not. So yeah, I think it's not that great. I'll show you in another mobile too how it looks like. You can see it, right? Like, this is the iPhone footage. This is the mobile footage. You can see this flashlight is pretty good, and you can record it, the video, like fully. You can observe it, right? See here, actually I turned on the flashlight, but so the flash is not that strong for recording videos. Maybe lower aperture values also matters here. If in case you are recording videos in indoor conditions with good lighting conditions, this is how the footage looks like. And by the way, I'm not using any microphone, and you can judge the audio quality as well. And you cannot zoom while recording the front facing camera video, but you can do it with the back facing camera. So yeah.
This is the panorama shot during nighttime condition, and you can observe the differences in terms of lighting and overall picture quality compared to daytime. And by the way, these two are the same locations I clicked. The panorama shots are not at all good during low light or nighttime conditions. So finally, here is my camera verdict of the iPhone X after 8 years. I know no one will use this mobile phone or ever dare to purchase it in present day. So what is the verdict of the iPhone X camera in 2025? In one line, I'm going to tell. It is great for daytime photos and videos at 1x and 2x, but struggles in low light conditions beyond these zoom levels. I know most of you won't be hunting down an 8-year iPhone to buy today, but I had fun revisiting it. If you enjoyed this throwback camera test, check out my other iPhone X videos, gaming benchmarks, battery drain test, charging speed comparisons, etc. And you will find all those links in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful and entertaining, hit subscribe, ring the bell icon, and let me know in the comments which shot surprised you the most.